Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to install the best ad blocker for Chrome browser. So let's get started. So we are too annoyed from the ads popping up on our Chrome browser whenever we are surfing. So let's get started. Go open your Chrome browser, select your profile. Now this time, I will tell you all the steps from starting. So search Chrome extension on Google, open it. Now you will see this extension Chrome Web Store. You have to open it, click on it. Now search for uBlock origins. I will tell you the spell uBlock. Now you can see this extension, click on it. Now I will tell you what does it do. The uBlock origin is the best one, which will give you the easy list as easy privacy and various filters which can going to block ads and sneaky tracking as well as memory efficient. And the best the best feature of uBlock is it always prevents you from unwanted hacking techniques as well as your phishing tricks, and someone tries to uh, sold your third party's data, so it will always prevent you from this unwanted stuff. And to add into your Chrome, just click on add to Chrome and click on add extension, and it will get added in your Chrome browser. The extension will install and appear in your Chrome toolbar. So I will tell you how to use it. It is downloading, as you can see here. Now again, just click on new tab and you can see this puzzle type. So it's extension store, and you can see this uBlock is installed in your Chrome browser. So whenever you are accessing any browser or website, you will skip the ads by using this uBlock origin extension. So guys, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. I will see you in the next video.